the K18 leave-in molecular repair hair mask. We started with really damaged hair. After washing without conditioner, pump a small amount into the palm of your hands. Rub your wet hands together to make a paste consistency, and then apply to towel-dry hair. You can immediately notice the difference in shine. Comb through and leave it in for 4 minutes. So healthy. Blow dry and style as normal. We just revived her hair. Happy customer, happy Cat Talk Salon team. The results are phenomenal.